Hi, I am the artist Nata Shray. I have been painting for 7 years. I really love palette knife and impasto painting. I sell my painting on the Etsy shop. Today I received a large order for 4 paintings. Exactly, one work was ready to be sent and I still need to paint 3 paintings. Now I have completed the first painting and I want to show it to you. I will also show you the process of painting it. The painting process took 45 minutes. This painting is 8 by 8 inches in size. It is painted in oil paints with impasto technique on the panel. The panel thickness is 5 millimeters. I made this order quickly, and today I plan to paint another paintings. I plan to paint the third painting tomorrow. All the paintings are small, so I will make this order pretty quickly. I will spend about a week drying these paintings. I will use a heater, as thick paint strokes are very difficult to dry. It usually takes a very long time, sometimes 1 month. I try to dry the paintings as quickly as possible so that my customers do not have to wait long. I sell paintings in the USA. My Etsy store is set up so that my customers are Americans. The fact is that I really like the nature of the USA and I want to go there to travel. My dream is to buy a caravan house and travel all over the United States from south to north. Now I paint landscapes and flowers. I really love nature and appreciate the beauty around. I really like to paint flowers in the impasto technique, so that the strokes are thick. It's very fashionable, and I also like this style. The most difficult thing in this style is to dry the painting. It is also important not to be greedy and use a lot of paint. This style assumes a generous gift. It is necessary not to be afraid of thick strokes and generously squeeze out the colors on the palette. The big fear of novice artists is to use a palette knife and thick layers of paint. I had to overcome it to learn how to paint my paintings. It is very important to be brave. You need to use bright colors and thick strokes. Then the picture will turn out very beautiful and it will be bought quickly. I wish you happiness and good luck. I wish to live in harmony with my soul. With the help of paintings, I broadcast my harmony outside. Come to my Etsy shop. I am happy to share some of the joy that creativity gives me. Bye, the artist Nata Shray was with you.